Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So today's video is going to be about the Model 1 dual form nails. So if you guys want to see how I do my nails, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's available on Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll link it down below. So when you open it, this is what it shows. It gives you like a manual on how to prep for the nails and how to apply them, and then it comes with a whole pack of the nail tips. It has different sizes, so you guys can choose from whatever fits your finger. And then it has a top coat and a base coat, and then these are all of the colors here. I'm going to show you guys how the colors look up close. So this, it's kind of dirty from last time doing my nails, but this is the soft pink, and this is what it looks like. So it looks like that color. This one is just the regular pink, and it looks like that. This is the pearl pink. I don't think I've used this one yet. No, I haven't. Let's take that off, and then, ooh, this one's pretty. So it looks like that. Then the next one is deep nude, which I think this is the one I'll be using today. Ooh, that one's kind of sticky. And it looks like that. It's kind of a dark color. And this one is the clear Polygel. Just looks like that. Clear. Then this one is the white. I've used this one before. That one's not really focusing. And then the last one is the apricot color. Maybe I'll use this one, I'm not sure. And that's what that color looks like. Pretty nice. Maybe I'll use this one. I think I like this color. And then it also comes with the brush and the stick. So this is where you would apply the dual form, and this is what you will use to press it down. Okay, so I'm going to first file my nails and get them prepped for when I'm ready to do the dual forms. Just gonna take out some products here. So I am first going to wipe each nail down with alcohol. Just to get any product off. And then I'm going to file them. Then I'll be back once I'm ready to start the dual forms. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands and then prepare my cuticles off camera. I finished prepping my cuticles off camera, so now I'm just wiping any excess oil that I have on my nails, and then we can start the dual forms. Okay, my nails are prepped and ready. So I like to cut my nails down really short. You guys don't have to do that. That's only if you'd like. I think it's just, for me, it's much easier to apply the dual form when my nails are cut short. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply the base coat. And you just need to apply a very thin layer and let it cure for 30 seconds. Just gonna apply a thin layer. Okay, and then we're gonna let it cure for 30 seconds. Okay, and now we're going to do the right hand. So I have the tool here, and I'm just going to wet my brush and get it nice and soaked, and also wet this tip and just kind of clean off any excess dual form that's there. And then I'm gonna start off with my thumb, so this one. So I squeeze off a good amount, enough to cover my whole thumb. We need a little more. So you want to make sure that you cover all sides. And then you just make sure that you make it even. And then you just apply it right there. And then you want to clean off any excess that comes out. And you just press firmly. And then what I like to do is hold the other side with my hand. And then if you look, it's kind of bumpy there in the back, so you just flatten it out. Like that. And then you can also bring it down. And then just flatten it out like that. And once you're ready, you can cure it. You can cure it for 60 seconds. And then once you're done curing it, then you can take off the shell. And then that's how that looks. So in here it's still kind of bumpy, so I'm gonna use a drill to flatten it, but I like how it came out. The thickness is pretty good. And then we're gonna do the rest of the hands. Alright, and then once you get it to the flatness that you like this, then you apply it to the finger. Okay. Ooh. Then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Okay, and then we're gonna take that off, and that's how it looks. And then so I'm gonna do the rest of my hand, and then I'll come back when I want to make the shape. Okay, so that is that finger, and now I'm going to shape them and then drill underneath to make everything flat. I'm going to use this. Kind of get it to the shape that I want. Ooh. So I don't want them too short. I kind of want them like medium size. So I really like the way they came out, especially this color. It's a very pretty color, and the dual forms are like pretty doable. I really like this. It's quick and easy, and it saves you money from going to the salon every 2 weeks. You can do your own nails. So I'm gonna show you guys a little on how I do the shape. So I kind of just do this, and I just make it to a coffin shape like that. I'm still learning how to do the shape and stuff like that, so I'm no expert. But for my liking, I think it comes out pretty good. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the nails. Just kind of make it thin until I get it to the shape that I like. So see you guys when I'm all done with this hand. Okay, so I kind of got the shape down, and now I'm just gonna file above each nail and file right underneath. So I've got this file off of Amazon as well, Melody Susie's company. If I find the link, I will link it down below as well. I'm going to be using this one to file above the nail and maybe underneath if I need to. So just going to file on top and just kind of get any extra pieces that are sticking up, like so, over here. I try to do it on a low setting first, because sometimes when it's too strong, it chips the bottom of this and then it starts cracking, and I don't want that. So I don't know if I'm doing this right. I just kind of do it from how I feel is right. But I don't know for sure if I'm doing this correctly. Then I basically do the same thing to the other nails. And I kind of flatten it to make it all one side, like that. So I'm gonna do this to all the nails, and then I'll be back to put on the top coat. So the shape and filing is done for these nails. I think they look pretty good. And now I'm gonna start on the other hand. The background noise is my cat. Down like that, and I'm just gonna clear out any excess, press down, and then remember to flip it, because there's like, if you can see, it's bumpy and you don't want it to cure like that. So you just want to flip it around and just flatten that part. So, like that. And then you make sure that it's pressed, and then you get your light and just cure it for 60 seconds. So I finished the nails, and now I'm gonna start with the shape. So I'm gonna get them as close to this as possible. A little harder to do it with my left hand because I am a righty, so it'll be kind of hard, but I can do it. Okay, so I finished filing down the nails. I got it to the shape that I like, and now I'm gonna just add the top coat and let it cure for 60 seconds. So this apricot color came out so cute. I wonder if you guys can see the correct color on the camera. It's like a light peach. So I like to go over it with a couple layers just to make sure that I have the right amount of the top coat. Alright, and then once I feel like I have enough, then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, and that cured, and now I'm gonna do my right hand. Okay, and then I'm gonna cure that for 90 seconds. I really liked how these came out. If you guys liked it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys would like any more videos on how I do my dual forms, just please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!